Welcome back to Good Taste. How about a little fun in the hill country? What a surprising find. A French-inspired bistro in the heart of the Texas hill country, plus a whole lot more. You walk in and it's kind of wow. A true trifecta, really. A charming eatery, an art gallery, and chic boutique, all in one place. Texas like you've never seen it before. That's really cool.
That's exactly it.
Upstairs, a showcase of contemporary artists from Texas. At street level, a treasure trove of all things beautiful, all setting the perfect backdrop for the bistro below.
The bistro menu is all about eclectic, healthy, hearty food.
A menu stocked with wines from across the globe. This eclectic show is Vaudeville in Fredericksburg. Directing the cast are co-owners Richard Beaupre, an artist, and Chef Jordan Moralia. The duo's dreamy creation of Vaudeville opened several years ago in a spacious historical Victorian building on Main Street.
Wine's always good, food's always good.
Here, the salads, charcuterie, and sandwiches are as carefully curated as the works of art. Starting with Vaudeville's take on a Reuben. Marble rye surrounds pastrami, pairing perfectly with the Brussels sprout kraut and melted Gruyere. The Vaudeville carpaccio hits all the right notes. Thinly sliced Angus tenderloin, topped with a mesmerizing micro salad, and drizzled with a sassy, syrupy saba de Modena, a beautiful balsamic glaze. Looking for something lighter? Savor the flavors in the marinated chicken confit. The Sicilian olive oil braised free-range chicken is served with fresh garden greens, all with a luscious lemon Dijon vinaigrette.
The food is delicious. The atmosphere is wonderful.
The restaurant is actually in the basement.
Correct.
And it's done so, it's just cool. I don't know a better way to describe it. There's a lot of coolness going on.
Well, thank you. And we're passionate about food, we're passionate about wine, we're passionate about just living a beautiful life.
That passion led Richard and Jordan to bring all things beautiful to Fredericksburg.
It's like a general store. Back
On
of the
steroids. Everything is distinctly Texas, but in a very modern way. What is the reaction you get when people walk in for the first time?
Very often I hear that, like, oh my God, I didn't think this would be possible here in a small town. Oh, I'm not in Fredericksburg anymore, or I'm not in Texas anymore.
From jewelry to home decor, every piece is hand-selected. Seashells,
Exactly.
bones.
Yeah, bones, there's antlers.
From the unique artwork to the eclectic gift ideas. That same attention to detail goes into every dish that's prepared, all farm to table fresh and made from scratch, both in the bistro and the supper club next door.
It's another vibe. Down here we really focus more on hearty, healthy, sort of American classics, and upstairs is more of our fine dining, where it's a little bit more gastronomy, some more contemporary techniques as well.
These multi-course tastings on the weekends are artfully paired with Vaudeville's amazing wines.
So we're looking at some super Tuscans, we've got some Bordeaux, but we focus on more boutique wineries, and there's a lot out there, so our job is fun.
Back in the kitchen, we're making something lighter. Vaudeville's popular Power Bowl.
It is wild salmon. It's super clean, healthy.
It's seasoned with kosher salt, cracked pepper, and espelette, a Spanish red pepper, then rubbed with olive oil and sizzled on a very hot grill.
As we dress our salad with some champagne vinegar.
Once the salmon is done, the skin is left behind, then grilled on both sides to make a crispy salmon bacon.
It's really nice, sort of salty, crispy salmon chicharron.
Now to plate this bountiful bowl, Chef Jordan adds the hydroponic greens, quick pickled purple cabbage, radish, and fennel. Then he bathes it all in a miso broth made with vegetable stock and kombu. I would have never thought that tastes good, but it tastes
Isn't it
fantastic.
great?
Yes,
I know.
it really does. Salmon bacon.
It's first rate all the way. I get the ambiance and the experience of a lifetime, and it's in the Hill Country.
I was so inspired by the pimento cheese dip down on Grayson. I wanted to share it with you. And I went to my go-to chef at H-E-B, Adrian, and I can't wait for you to try this at home. You've added some really fun kicks to this.
Pimento's an oldie, but always a goodie. So yeah, there's nothing better than putting that good special chef twist on a couple of things.
Some of the basics we know. We'll talk about the cheeses, but honestly, I think a couple of these products really made all the difference in the world.
Absolutely. These can all be found at the Cooking Connection at your H-E-B. We've got gourmet pickled jalapenos. We're doing a nice little chili seasoning, so we're definitely taking it to the next level.
Yeah, this is really fun. You'll make this at your next party, I guarantee. Okay, what do we do?
So we'll start with the basic pimento base. We've got all H-E-B own brand cream cheese, olive oil, mayonnaise, cheddar, and Colby Jack. We're gonna toss in, instead of old-fashioned cayenne, do a little of our Montana Mix chili salt. So really kind of an intricate flavor there. We'll throw in our Adams Reserve house rub just for some basic pick-me-up on the spice. And this is really cool. These are the Buyer's Best candied jalapenos, so sweet and spicy.
Those are so good.
Totally make it what it is.
They really do.
And then we'll finish with something really cool. Instead of old school pimentos, we're throwing in our cherry pepper toppers, so still gives it the color, the flavor, but a little bit of a tang and a twist.
More zest, right?
Absolutely. All right, and then we just mix this together and we can let it sit up to 12 hours and it'll be perfect and blended together in the morning.
And voila, the finished product.
Yeah, so we're just topping it off and pizzazzing it up with a little extra jalapeno over the top. And we make the best in-house, fresh, daily made guacamole. So a little of that on the side. You've got a whole party on a platter, sweet potato chips, blue corn. You can't go wrong.
That is amazing. And it's even good warm.
Oh yeah, serve it warm, absolutely. Give it a little extra melt, no doubt, yeah.
Chef, as
Thank
always.
you so much.
Great job. We've got the recipe on goodtaste.tv. Don't go anywhere. My wine finds are next. And outsmarting an octopus
It's about 2.5 pounds.
when Good Taste returns. Good Taste with Tanji is brought to you in part by H-E-B.